Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Roblox error E01. So let's get started. So it is very easy to fix. You have to follow these easy steps. So here I have to go to Roblox, as you can see. So if it shows here error, or if it does not open, or if it shows the error E01, just press and hold, just click that I button. It will open the app info section of that app. So here you have to go, click on the storage, then you have to click on clear data, just clear the existing data, then you have to open the app again and it will be fixed. If it does not fix, then you have to probably check for an update and it will be automatically fixed. So by this way you can do it, and this is how to fix the Roblox error code E01. And if you have any questions related to this, you can let me know. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.